Hello, welcome. In this video we will learn how to play I Don't Know My Name by Grace Vanderwaal.
I don't know my name.
Make sure that your ukulele is tuned G, C, E, A, and let's get started. In Grace Vanderwaal's performance of this song, she uses a capo on the first fret. I will not use a capo because I know many of you don't have one, but if you wanted to kind of cheat it, you could tune up half a step on each one. So G sharp, C sharp, F, and A sharp, and that would give you the same sound that she has. But don't tune up if you feel the tension on your strings is too tight, because you could pop a string. Okay, so let's get started. First chord is C, so play that for me 4 times. 1, 2, 4 times. Go. Now let's move to F. Play that 4 times. 1, 2, ready, go. Now freeze, stay there. Now only lift your index finger. Lift that one, and you're at A minor. 4 times, ready, A. And finally, we have to make a jump to G. If G feels like it doesn't fit, that might be because your hand is parallel to the frets. Bring it up, like swivel it up, and then it should fit. 4 times, G, go. So let's try that together. 1, 2, 1, 2, slowly go. F chord. Lift your index. Jump to G. If you feel like that was too advanced for you, there is a way to cheat that. So you could play once and switch for the next 3 beats. It will sound like this. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. The whole song follows this format, so if you wanted to play the song but you're not ready with the strumming, do it that way. Speaking of strumming pattern, I will have the strumming pattern at this point in the video, so you can skip ahead if you know the chords already. And for the rest of us, we'll break it up and do each part. So let's go from the beginning. 1, 2, ready, go. I don't know my name. I don't play by the rules of the game. So you say, I'm just trying. Try that again. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. I don't know my name. I don't play by the rules of the game. So you say, I'm just trying. Okay, we're at the next part, which goes faster. So we're gonna strum a little bit faster, okay? Watch me do it first, and then we'll do it together. So I heard you are my sister's friend. You get along quite nicely. Don't be tricked by the sound of it going faster. This hand is still moving the same speed as the last verse. Okay, so let's try that. 1, 2, ready, go. How'd you do on that part? Let me know in the comments below how you're doing. So this next part is really sweet, and it changes the pattern a little bit. So watch me do it first, and then we'll do it together. I'm lost, trying to get found in an ocean of people. Please don't ask me any. Okay, so it leaves on a little bit of a cliffhanger because we're doing the short version. The famous audition video shows the shorter version of the song, but there are more like verses and lyrics to it. So it follows the same format, so you could play either one. Okay, so play that with me. 1, 2, ready, go. I'm lost, trying to get found in an ocean of people. Please don't ask me any. So the most important thing with this upcoming part is to really build it. So watch me do it first and then we'll do it together. I don't know my name. I don't play by the rules of the game. So you say I'm just trying, just trying. So that's probably the most important thing, to really build up to it. That last thing I ended with down, up, down, up, down on the G chord. Down, up, down, up, down. So let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. I don't know my name. I don't play by the rules of the game. So you say I'm just trying, just trying. Okay, and finally we're at that last section that has so much build to it. She sings an octave higher on some of those parts. I cannot do that. So let's just go straight into it. You know the chords already. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, if you are here, you are ready to learn the strumming pattern. But first, subscribe to this channel. Now let's learn the strumming pattern. The first part is an island strum. If you want to see a dedicated video, please click the card on the screen now. So the island strum sounds something like this. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. In the beginning of the song, she's pretty slow, pretty gentle with the island strum. So let's try to replicate that. 1, 2, ready, go. I don't know my name. I don't play by the rules of the game. So you say I'm just trying, just trying. For the next part, it's really fast. And from what I could hear, I tried watching her several times, it's half full, half full, half full, half full.
I heard you are my sister's friend. You get along quite nicely.
So you just hit the first or the first and the second string and then hit all of them. So 1 all, 1 all, 1 all, 1 all. But when you're doing one, sometimes you hit the second one. Don't beat yourself up for that. The strumming starts on the word heard. So I will say, so I heard you are my sister. Okay? 1, 2, 3. So I heard you are my sister's friend. You get along quite nicely. You asked me why I cut my hair and changed myself completely. And it kind of just stops abruptly on completely. Like just stop. Next part, it's just down strums. So we get to rest on that next part. Watch me do it first, then we'll do it together. I'm lost, trying to get found in an ocean of people. Please don't ask me. Okay, so let's try that. 1, 2, ready, go. I'm lost, trying to get found in an ocean of people. Please don't ask me any. This next part, it changes right in the middle of it. So watch me do it first and then we'll do it together. I don't know my name. I don't play by the rules of the game. So you say, I'm just trying. So most of that whole section is down strums, except for that, like on trying, it's down, up, down, up, down. So let's try it together. I don't know my name. I don't play by the rules of the game. So you say, I'm just trying. Let's try that just on the G part. That part. 1, 2, ready, go. So it's down, 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 up, down, up, down. You could think watermelon. Down, up, down, up, down. Watermelon, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Try that. 1, 2, on the G, go. Watermelon, down, up, down, up, down. And then the next part, she goes crazy, but we go back to the island strum that's in the beginning. So that is like a bookends strumming pattern. So let's try that. 1, 2, fast, go. So, if you're ready to play that fast, awesome. If you're not, YouTube allows you to change the speed of any video. If you click on the little like settings icon, you can slow this video down. And you can slow it down by a lot so that you can work on that strumming pattern. And then once you're ready, you can slowly build it back up to normal speed. Ahora vamos a tocar toda la canción, desde el principio hasta el final con el ritmo. ¿Listos? 1, 2, ready, go. I don't know my name. I don't play by the rules of the game. So you say, I'm just trying. So I heard. Of people, please don't ask me any. I don't know my name. I don't play by the rules of the game. So you say, I'm just trying. Thank you so much for spending time with me and learning this song and playing along with me. I hope to see you in the next one. Sayonara!